Hi, I'm Juan Escobar. This is project 4, CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript at Harvard University. So this project is a social network, and we are starting see how we can create a new tweet or a new post. So I click a tweet button, and now I can see my tweet here. So the next is the all post tab. So in the all post tab, you can see most recent posts or tweets. You can see the username of the user, also his first name. You can see the date and time. You can see the post content. You can see the number of likes. Right now it has 0, but if we scroll down, you can see some posts with likes. And also with out, you can see all posts. Now we have the profile page. So if I click profile, the default page is mine. So I have my name, my username. I have the followers and following. So right now I'm following 2 persons. Also I have tweet date, post date reverse chronological order. I have follow and unfollow button, but for use I need to go to another profile. So for example Miguel. So now I can follow and or unfollow. And now we have the following tab. So here I can see all the tweets from person that I'm following. So for example, I'm unfollow Miguel. And if I come back here, I'm not able to see his tweets anymore. Now the pagination. So if the tweets are more than 10, you got a pagination. So right now, for example, here are 2, so we don't have pagination. But if we go to all posts, we will see the buttons for go next to the page 2 or go back. By default, it displays 10 posts or tweets. Now we have the edit post function. So this function only apply to tweets or on my own. So for example, only this, but this is from Miguel, so I can edit it. This is using JavaScript. So if I click here, I can see the previous test and I can edit it. This is edit tweet. So I click save and it's updated. So if I go to my profile, you can see this contains also cluster request for getting protection, and also it validates that I can only update tweets that are created by me. So this is for indirect insecure direct object reference protection. And finally, we have the like and unlike posts. So for example, I can like this, and you can see the likes counter. I can like